question 5, we're supposed to use synthetic division, divide the two polynomials. Again, make a distinction. This is not a monomial division down here, so we have to perform something differently. This time we're going to use our synthetic division, which means we want to take our divisor, 5x plus 5, set it equal to 0 to figure out what we want to divide by, which is 5x equals a negative 5, which means x is equal to a negative 1. So we want to put our negative 1 on the outside. That is our divisor. Then we want to come down through our top or our numerator and make sure we have all of our exponents accounted for. It's 6, 5, we're missing 4, 3, we're missing 2, 1, 0. So everywhere we got a missing power, we want to throw in a 0 for a placeholder. So it's 10, 5, then we're missing our 4, so that's where we insert a 0. We got a 10 to the third, so we put in our 10. Then we're missing our x squared, so you put in a 0x squared minus 20x, so we'll put in our minus 20 and minus 15. So what we do is we grab and harvest all of the coefficients off of our variables. If we're missing one of the powers, we throw in a 0. So to start our synthetic division, we always drop this first number down to get it started. So we drop down our 10. And now all we ever do is we multiply, then add. So our process got a lot easier. So we're going to take a negative 1 times 10, which is a negative 10, add it to 5. Negative 5. We take a negative 1 times negative 5, which is 5. We add it to 0, which is 5. You take 5 times a negative 1, which is negative 5. Add it to 10, which is 5. You take a negative 1 times 5, which is negative 5. Add to 0, which is a negative 5. You take a negative 1 times a negative 5, which is 5. You add it to a negative 20, and you get a negative 15. You take a negative 1 times a negative 15, and you get a positive 15. Add it together, and you get a 0. This remainder 0 says that it goes in there evenly, and we want to write what our quotient is. So what do we end up with? We end up with a 10 times x to the, and you remember we always go down a power. We just took it, and we took an x to the 6th divided by x, so it should be x to the 5th, and we just count down from there. So minus 5x to the 4th, then it's plus 5x cubed plus 5x squared, and minus 5x minus 15. This is our quotient that we get when we divide the original polynomial by 5x minus or plus 5.